What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the brand new collaboration between KITH and Adidas. This is the FYW S-97 in the green neon colorway. Here we go. This collaboration here dropped on Monday, March the 18th, 2019, and they were dropping for a price of $160 US, which for a sneaker, especially a collaboration sneaker, is quite cheap nowadays. We see the sneakers run up at least $200, $250, if not more than that, per sneaker. And so for $160, these are not a bad price at all. Now, Ronnie Fieg, who is the founder and CEO of KITH, he tends to go with the retro style or older classic style sneakers, and he did not disappoint with this one. Adidas recently brought out their own FYW 97 sneaker, which was a similar colorway to the purple and pink one that the KITH and Adidas one had, but this one here is the only one that is really different, and it has that KITH and Ronnie Fieg branding on it. Now, if we take a look at the box here, the box is a regular brown cardboard box with a top lid. The top of the box has this green 3-stripe logo covering the entire upper of the box. The side of the box has this little cartoon character, which is signature for the FYW sneaker. And then on the other side of the box, again, that cartoon character and the shoe tag, or that shoe label there with the UPC, and I got a size US 12 for the shoe. That is my new true to size for sneakers. So let's go ahead and open these up. And here is the shoe. Now, right in line with the dad shoe craze that's going on all over the sneaker market right now, these are a chunkier take on a few classic Adidas silhouettes, but these are a really cool shoe nonetheless. Just like most other dad sneakers out there, these do feature a layering design to them with mostly a mesh and vinyl or leather and then a rubber upper with a little bit of gray suede exposed on the side panel. The front toe box of the shoe features this neon yellow lace loop with a white embroidered Adidas 3-stripe logo on it. The medial side of both shoes features this neon green or very rich green cartoon character for the FYW sneaker. And then the rest of the lacing loops are done in this neon green finish with a neon yellow detailing. And then finally, for the upper, both sides of the shoes feature this embroidered Adidas equipment logo in a neon green and neon yellow, with the right shoe showing the word KITH on the right hand side of the tongue, and on the left shoe showing the word Ronnie Fieg, who is of course the founder and CEO of KITH. Now personally, I would have liked that they added more KITH branding to it, unless you look very closely at the tongue itself, or if you actually know the sneaker and know the collaboration, you would not be able to recognize that these are a KITH collaboration shoe. So I would have liked to see a bit more KITH branding to this piece myself. If we come around the back heel section, we do see that there is quite a bit of support again in this paneling design with a mesh inner and then that leather or vinyl outer with a white embroidered Adidas 3-stripe logo on this pretty cushiony green part here. And then the insoles are again that matching green color with once again that cartoon character stamped on in white. The outsole of these shoes is very reminiscent of the Yeezy 500 shoe in my opinion, and they do feature the word torsion right in the middle in a very hard yellow plastic. Now, considering these are a dad shoe, typically dad shoes like the Yeezy 500 or the Balenciaga SS, all of those shoes, they are quite heavy. These are not that heavy at all, probably because most of it is just a very lightweight rubber and mesh. These are a very lightweight sneaker. And then as far as I'm concerned, they fit pretty true to size, if anything a bit roomy, because it's not that thick of a sneaker. But that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to comment down below what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of and what you want to see me review next, of course, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.